What's up, everybody? Today is Sunday. It's about 7:30, and let me show y'all this shit right here, man. I tried to run my machine yesterday, and the machine does not want to start. Can you believe that shit? See, nothing happens. Nothing. I'm about to go take it to get fixed. Hopefully, it's nothing bad. We'll see what happens. So yesterday, one of my friends calls me up. He is actually a foreman for Zachary, and he tells me that he wants to start rig welding. That he wants to buy a machine. That they got a SA200 in Baytown that he wants to buy, and he had asked me to go with him to go look at it, because he's like, I really don't know much about machines, so you think you can come check it out for me? So I'm like, yeah. So before he comes pick me up, and I'm telling them that SA machine, that they run great, they run good, they could burn stick and TIG. And as I'm telling them, I'm walking to my machine, and I'm like, yeah, I love my machine. It cranks up the first time, and as soon as I try to crank it, it did not work. But you know, as y'all can see, the machine just doesn't want to turn on. And he's like, damn, man, that's how these machines are. And I'm like, well, they are older machines. You know, these machines were built like in the 70s or 60s. I'm not too sure. But they do require some type of work. So I'm about to take it to North Houston right now. I'm going to take it to this mechanic that I know. Hopefully it ain't too expensive to fix. But we'll see how it goes. I'll see y'all in North Houston. I just got to his shop. This is a guy named Rudy. We got the machine running now. I think it might be the battery, but I think it's about to check the alternator right now. Happy it's running, so we'll see what it does. Hopefully it's not nothing else. Hopefully I just gotta replace that. But this is the guy's shop in 45 South in Houston. You know, he opens on Sundays. I'll put his information down for any of y'all who want to see about getting the machine fixed. He got everything ready to go. I will put his information on it. Okay, as y'all seen, I got the machine up and running. I'm so happy it was just a bad battery. Happy that it wasn't anything more than that. That's how it goes with these older machines. Like I've been saying, they're great machines, but you know, sometimes you do run into these typical problems. But they are pretty cheap to fix. Just now, he checked the machine out for me. He told me my battery's wrong. I got an oil change. He fixed my choker. He also gave me a new filter for my gas, a gas filter. And he did some other little work with the wiring. He charged me $180 which is not bad at all. We'll post that guy's information. He's located in Houston on 45 South. So if any of y'all need a good mechanic, I think he's a pretty good, reliable guy. And he's off on, he works on Sundays. So that's pretty good for the guys who can only take off on weekends. So whenever you buy these older machines, you want to look for a few things. You want to bring you some 316 rods with you, because you want to try the machine out and you want to run hot as you can. Bring a few rods, and what you're going to do is you want to put it on maybe 4th or even 3rd gear. And just burn that 316 rod, and make sure that it's burning at currently constant, that it don't go up and down. If it goes up and down, then you might not want to get the machine, because you don't want to be dealing with any of those problems. You also want to check the oil, make sure they don't have no water in the oil, because I actually bought a machine I think last year, and I lost like $6,000 because the motor went bad. They had water into the motor, and I didn't check that out. So you might want to check out for those things. You also want to check out to make sure the machine doesn't smoke. And you know, depending on the price that you pay too, you know, some of these machines are older, like I'm saying, so they might need work. They go anywhere from 3 to 45, even up to like 7,000 once they're like all up and nice and painted. But the average, you should aim for 3,500. You should aim for 3,500. At 3,500, the machine should be running and welding perfect. It should also be wired for a remote, and it should have all the upgrades like the Murphy gauges and all that. But like I said, it's part of the game when it comes to running these older machines. I'm really happy that it wasn't anything more than that, and I'm glad I didn't have to come off that much money. But on a positive note, today I'm going to pick up my check. Remember that last week how I did that side job? Well, today I'm going to pick that check up, you know, and I also just got paid Friday from the current job that I'm working at, so I'm pretty excited for that. I'm getting a good bit of money coming in today, and you know, out of all this money I made, I'll see how much my wife gives me. So you know, it probably won't be much, but yeah, man, I'm glad that it wasn't much work. I want to take the time to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. I'm almost at 500 subscribers, man. That's really big. I'm really excited for that. I didn't think I would reach 500 subscribers this fast, but appreciate everybody who's watching my videos, hitting that like button. I appreciate all y'all. That really helps YouTube push my videos out whenever y'all hit that like button, so it really means a lot. But I would like to say thanks for watching my videos. I appreciate everyone. I will have another video coming to y'all Monday, and this one will be with the guys that I said I was going to link up with. So thanks for supporting my channel. I'll see y'all next time.